Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the split tone feature on the Photoshop application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the home button down below in the left side corner and tap on photo editor. Select the picture you would like to edit, click on it, and then you should tap on the adjustments button down below in the left side corner, which is the second option. Then slide to the left side in the middle of the screen below this slide and tap on the split tone button. Here you can find two dots in the left side and right side corners of the screen. You should use the left and right side dots to select the color of shadows and highlights. And then you can use the slider to split tone the color tints. So here you can see how it changes. You can see at the top the hue and the saturation as well. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.